I showed you guys these flowers on Instagram, and everybody sent me a message saying, oh my gosh, can you please make a quick video showing us how to do it? So I'm gonna make a really quick video. I have another video that I'm making today, but I will show you guys really quick on how to make these. Just so that you can get a quick idea on how to fold them. So you're gonna take a piece of toilet paper. There's 2 square pieces here. You don't need the whole 2 squared. You're gonna cut the second square in half. And that's just to guide you when you're folding it. You don't really need that part. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold a triangle. You're gonna go up and make another triangle. You're gonna go up and make another triangle so that this extra piece is this way. And you're gonna fold it again into another small triangle so that you have a shape like this. Then you're gonna turn it so that the open edges are facing this way. Let me fix my camera a little bit. So that they're facing this way. Okay, you're gonna take your scissors. I have the Tim Holtz scissors here, and you're gonna make a heart. You guys have made hearts before out of paper. When it was folded, you're just gonna turn and make it into a heart. This wasn't a great heart, but, oh, that was one big heart. Did I do that wrong? No, that was right. And you're gonna twist. You're gonna twist the top parts of the heart. You know how the heart goes like this? You're gonna twist the top hump parts of the heart. And you'll see why in a minute while we're doing this. You're just gonna lightly twist it. You don't wanna rip it. You just wanna twist it so that when you open it into the circle, you have fluffy edges. Do you see what I'm saying? Now do you get how that's gonna happen? So that this one's big, so you're gonna keep that one in the bottom. You're gonna make 4 more of these, but you're gonna try and size them a little differently. And sizing them is all about how you cut the heart, okay? And I'll show you. One more time, we're gonna do this. Fold it down to a triangle. Fold it up into a triangle. You're gonna fold it up again into a triangle so that this is going outward, and you're gonna fold it again into a triangle. You're gonna pick it up with the open edges looking outward. Now, if you start your heart from down here, the center is gonna be smaller. So we're gonna make a smaller one this time. I'm making horrible hearts. Oh, I just woke up about a half an hour ago. I haven't even had my coffee yet. See the little... You guys get the idea. I'm sure you guys can make beautiful hearts. So twist the top parts of the heart. And this one should be smaller when you open it up. Should be is the key word here. See what I mean? That's smaller, and that's gonna go in the center. You're gonna make 4 more. You're gonna make 4 more. Once you make 4 more, you're gonna shape it. You can use a toothpick to kind of help you. I don't really use a toothpick. I use a little something. You can put it right up the center, because that'll help you shape it a little bit, right? You can shape it. And what I do is I use glue, and I dab. And you just shape it like this. And then once you have the 4, you pull it off, right? And then what you'll do is you'll take a bead. Once you have all 4 of them and you shape it nicely to look like this, you're gonna put the bead right in the center. And that's how you make the flower. It's so simple, and these look so beautiful in junk journals. Like, this is my favorite one that I made. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. It looks so nice in a junk journal. Give it a try. Tag me on Instagram if you guys make one. I would love to see how it came out. See you guys later. Oh, there's another video coming later on today. Stay tuned.